Hello and welcome to my very first Get Ready With Me video. So, today I'm going to this beach in Langkawi and I have a really cute outfit for this, which I'm gonna show you right. So, I want to show you this really cute top, which is so beach perfect, and I got this from Savannah. And I'm so excited with this outfit, so I'm especially making this Get Ready With Me for this. And with this top, I'm gonna wear this white pretty skirt. So just let me change and come. Oh my god, just look at this outfit. It looks so cute. So my makeup is almost done and now time to accessorize. So I have this really cute earrings for today. See. And I have this, so I will be wearing it here. It looks so pretty. And for this one, I'll be going with this. I'll be wearing this. So much.